Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and if you get tired of sitting in your office chair all day when you're working, you're gonna love this awesome Husky adjustable height desk. And that's it, that's my favorite part about it, that you can adjust the height, and it's perfect because my back doesn't hurt as much. I find myself that I get to move a little more, and it makes work a little bit more enjoyable. It only takes about 30 seconds to crank up, all the way up or all the way down. The top is a wood with a very nice finish, it's very smooth. I actually really like it. And the rest of the desk, the metal is very sturdy, very strong. The desk comes with some pre-installed legs if you don't want to move the desk. But it also comes with 4 wheels you can install in the base of the desk so you can move it whenever you need it and also lock it into place. It was very easy to set up on my own. It took me about 30 minutes to do so, and the instructions were very clear. So if you're looking for an affordable and great looking desk that has the height adjustment option, I really recommend this one. And that is my point of view.